We have just said with the election department, every poll will be numbered. The numbering will go as per the junction. So in this junction, how many polls are there, how many stay wires are there, how many guard wires are there, everything will be plotted. Point number one. Point number two, infrastructure from PWD. With the road division, what is the situation of the road, what topping has been done, what is underground, you will have to tell us. Because what is happening here, each department is coming, digging, as you can see here now. Okay, this has been dug. Who has dug it? Nobody knows. Okay, and the accidents that are taking place every day is also linked to uncompleted work. Now, there are, for example, this thing has been excavated. There is no signage here. There is no night light here. There is no barricade here. So, what we want to point out is that the district committee now has got an order from the ministry, central government, based on the Supreme Court order. Very clear directions have been given what is to be done. So the 13th October letter, please access it. Your department, if you have not received it, please ask the collector's office to see that you have it there. Because these reports are going, see every accident that takes place every day, the Supreme Court Road Safety Committee is monitoring it. And as the member secretary of the State Council has said, responsibility will lie with every department. Nobody is going to respond or answer for you. So each line department, please take note. For example, I will just tell you, infrastructure-wise, as I said, each department, so many people are under the impression that some of this work here or done or being done or has already been done lies with Smart City. So we do not know. That's why we have called Smart City people here. So if they don't have anything here, they will say they don't have anything, it will go in the minutes. Right? Then it comes to responsibilities. Now the fire department is here. Okay? So the fire department will have to tell us what needs to be done in terms of emergencies. By the time we get their response to come here at a junction, there is now a booth being installed here. So we would request you to tell us what requires to be kept here. What type of fire extinguisher needs to be kept here. People need to know that there is a fire extinguisher inside. Okay. Now, these barricades have been put. We don't know who has put the barricades. Okay. So everything, every piece of